We're going to talk about the bullet cluster collision and why it is some of the strongest evidence we have of dark matter so far. So I think the best way to explain what's happening in what the images I'm going to show you is by imagining two water balloons hitting each other. So imagine the water that's inside the water balloons being the dark matter and the rubber balloons themselves being the hot gas in each galaxy cluster. As the two water balloons collide, the rubber breaks and kind of gets all tangled up at the collision site, where the water in each balloon continues on its trajectory. I came across this image of the bullet cluster collision and some articles that said, this is the strongest evidence we have of dark matter, but I was like, wait a second, dark matter is not supposed to interact with light, so how is this image evidence? I'm going to explain it. So this image is not a photograph of the collision. It is 3 layers of data that we are putting together to help us interpret what happened. The first layer is an optical image from Hubble, so you can see all the orange, white, etc. All those blobs are different galaxies. So the second layer comes from data from the Chandra X-ray Observatory, where X-ray data showing where the hot gas is illuminated in hot pink so that we can see it. And in this layer is where you see the bullet shape, which gave the cluster its name. The third layer, which is shown in blue, is based on mathematical data of where we see the gravitational lensings affect the strongest. So this is really hard to see with the naked eye, but scientists have done extensive studies on very precise measurements of the galaxies behind the bullet cluster, showing where the gravitational lensing is the strongest and therefore where they think the most dark matter is present. If you're skeptical and want to read more, there is a paper in Astronomy and Astrophysics that lists all of the calculations that went into these determinations. If you like learning cool stuff about space, please like this post and follow me. Thanks for watching.